What's up, little mama? Wow, finally we're back. We finally got time to make some video for the channel. We have been very busy and it's a lot going on since the last time we posted.
He don't want you sniffing him.
But with this whole virus situation,
Coronavirus,
we got some
free time.
Well, actually, I was an essential worker because I work in a pharmacy, and but I was under the suspect that I had the virus. Thank God that the results came back negative. So today it's Sunday of March 29.
Yeah, well, our days are thrown off.
Yeah.
We can barely keep track of what day of the week it is, much less the day.
Yeah. So y'all, my hands are gonna shake because I'm walking. We decided to take Duchess for a walk. For y'all who don't know who Duchess is, it's our dog.
Let's show some Duchess.
Here she is. And we are doing a 3 miles hiking, actually trail, in the nature, so we can avoid, people. So we're just out here in the nature, really close to our house, and we're just gonna show y'all some of our adventure as we go down the trail. Baby, do you want to be on a video?
Yeah,
I'm here.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I'm here by myself. I thought the channel was both of us. So yeah, so we're just gonna show y'all a little bit of the trail. So we're going down this way, and all of this, it's so pretty.
If anybody wants to know where it is, it's near Arcabutla Spillway,
Mississippi.
Arcabutla, Mississippi.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's got 3 different trails. It's got a 1 mile, it's got a 3 mile, it's got a 5 mile.
Yeah.
So we're doing the medium. Do a nice little 3 miles. Let Duchess get.
Max wanted to do the 5 miles. My shoes is not comfortable enough for me to walk 5 miles, so we're just doing the 3 miles. And Duchess also, she needed to get out of the house a little bit. She was getting a little bit bored, so we just wanted to take her for a walk for a little bit. It's been a while since we've been planning to take her to take a walk, but with our schedule and everything, everything gets busy. But finally we got a time, and we're gonna enjoy snake.
Yeah, right there. See it?
Is that a snake?
That's a snake, baby.
Okay, let's show people. I don't know how to turn my camera.
Let's see if it moves.
Oh yeah, that's totally snake.
Watch it, hold on.
Right there.
No, it's dead. Somebody already killed it.
Oh, it's dead. Wait, hold on. Am I recording right? Where is it? Stay away.
Yeah, somebody already killed it.
So, it's dead. Okay, so we're just gonna, throughout the trail, we're gonna keep recording. So, keep watching. Okay, y'all. Okay, let me take my
It's a
glasses off.
raccoon.
So, yes, I was wearing my
Raccoon.
regular glasses and my sunglasses. So, we saw this sign here, and there is a word here, raccoons. So, the story behind this that he's mocking me is because one day we were driving down the road and I saw a raccoon, and I said, "Look, baby, it's a raccoon." And he goes, "It's a what?" I said, "Raccoon." And then he started laughing, and I was kind of like, "What are you laughing about?" And he goes, "Nothing, Amor, I was just laughing." I said, "No, I said something wrong. What is it?" He goes, "It's not raccoon, it's raccoon."
I didn't want to tell her.
Anyway,
I didn't want to tell her. I thought it was the best
but
thing ever.
here's my theory. My English teacher, actually, she told me that whenever there's two vowels together, the sound of it extends. So it's R-A-C-O-O-N-S. So the O-O, the sounds extend. So it's raccoon, not raccoon. That's just not how it works in my mind. It's not raccoon, it's raccoon.
Babe, what works in your mind though?
So, as y'all saw the pictures, this place is beautiful. It's really beautiful. We saw a lot of
Not
snakes.
as beautiful as you, Amo.
Aww. He wants something. But yeah, we had a lot of fun. Duchess is really dirty. Look at her, super tired.
Good.
We are tired too.
Good.
It's totally worth it. Come out of the house, get rid of a little bit of, this isolation stuff. But we still gotta keep safe, y'all. This whole situation is very serious. Keep safe, stay home.
Baby, you're right.
I'm out of breath, baby. If you go out, like to do something like this, just make sure that you are.
Long story short, stay safe, everybody.
Yeah, just stay away from,
Just stay safe.
social people.
Well, social distancing.
Social distancing. But definitely it's worth, going out and get rid of a little bit of the isolation. But yeah, that's it. And that's what's up.